Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I would like to challenge Mauvin Godinho to point out a single complete structure in the constituency of Cortalim that has been taken up and completed by him. There isn't a single structure. Not a single structure.
20 years.
And how long was he there, the MLA? For how many years was he the MLA of Cortalim constituency? He was the MLA of Cortalim constituency for 20 years. आणि याच खातीर लोक जेन्ना तो सांगता आपूण येतलो म्हाज्या मनशाक दोतलो लोक विचारता कित्याक कितें करपाक 20 वर्सां पावूंक ना ताका कितें तरी करपाक आनी दाखोवपाक की आपणेन 20 वर्सां कुटाय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो MLA जावन हें तरी केलां म्हूण कांय करूंक ना. He started the Kalapapan. There's no doubt about that. And it was just basically the outer shell with staircases and maybe no tiling, no flooring, no. I would like to tell him that as a minister for protocol, please, if you cannot, abide by the protocol rules and regulations, then you should give up that post of minister for protocol. And I also request my party, the BJP, to put some sense in this mind of his, because he's losing control, I think. He doesn't know what he's talking. Everything he has done. And yet the execution, the planning and execution happened during my tenure. So why is he lying? Tomorrow, I'm surprised he didn't say that the hospital at Kasauli is done by him. I'm now doing the market project in Zuarinagar. Tomorrow he will turn, at the next meeting probably he will say that was done by him. Lies cannot change the truth. Obviously, Mauvin Godinho never learnt this right up to this age. In this context, it is indeed pathetic. It is really pathetic to see how Mauvin is behaving at the moment. Okay? He is breaking all the rules and the code of conduct. He is trespassing into another constituency because he's got a few stooges who help him to do that. Okay? One of them, the so-called Sarpanch of Sankwal, not less than, I think, 8 months ago, in this very room, we had a press conference and the video is still there with us. What did he say then? He said that, कांयच करूंक ना मोविनान. कितें केलां तें तेणें दाखोवचें. कांय करिना. ते काला बाबान पासून थिंगा पडलेले आसा. आनी मॅडम धांवता फाटल्यान काला बाबान कंप्लीट करपाक. म्हाका दिसता पयलेच फावटी ह्या मनशान आपल्या जिवितान गोडेक सोत उलयला. Okay? Presently, we know that Mauvin Godinho is the Minister for Protocol. I am very sure he has no idea what the meaning of the word protocol is. Or else he would not come back into my constituency at the slightest pretext. He is using the panchayat to come in. What does this show? This only shows how insecure he is in his own constituency of Dabolim. Okay? Now, happens. He's going about today. I heard what he spoke during this inauguration of the so-called Panchayat Ghar. It is a building that they have shifted to. Fine, no issues. But he used this opportunity to speak against me, reflecting his insecurity. Because it is only when you are insecure that you feel the need to claim what others have done as your own. Okay? Now, Kala Bhavan is one example. Now, Panchayat Ghar. I know because the whole of Sankwal has been telling me time and again that the foundation stone for the Panchayat Ghar was laid 2 times. Where was it laid? Inside Mauvin Godinho's office. And I would like to state that till date the stone is still in the office because the Panchayat Ghar has not yet seen the light of the day. How many years was Mauvin Godinho the MLA of Cortalim constituency? 20 years. 20 years were not enough for him. Now Mauvin Godinho claims that the consultant ran away. I would like to ask Mauvin Godinho, do we have only one consultant in the whole of Goa? I mean, he could not find another consultant. And if he's so concerned about development, couldn't he find another consultant and complete the project? The fact is that he was never interested. He was never interested in developing the constituency, in working for the people. And now he feels the need to claim credit for the works that I have done. He claims that he did the Cortalim market project. Now that is a real joke. I feel very sad that men of his age can resort to such lies. But I'm not going to go into the details. We have the project plan with us. We know how the entire process of tendering, entire process of getting the work done, selection of tiles, everything has been done. Unless maybe, who knows, in his dreams he did the project. Because I think Mauvin should realize his age and stop lying. He cannot go on lying all the time. Okay?